Good morning. Today we'll do some example of Kirchhoff's law. Yesterday I gave you one example, this one, but none of you have done this one. Okay, see, here we have to find the current through each battery. Okay, so that means we have to find how much current is flowing in this battery and this battery. Huh? I hope you understand the question. So now see here, current direction is already given in the question. If the current direction is not given, then you have to make the current direction. Okay, now okay, here this is I1 current, nah? So I1 current is flowing in this direction. That means here also I1 is flowing, nah? And then I2, this is I2, right? So I2 is in this direction. That means here also I2, but in this direction, and this one is I1, nah? In this junction D, and this I3 is moving in this direction. That means it is coming from that side, nah? So this one is I3, so this is I3, nah? Okay, at this junction I2 is here. That means I1, this one is I1, nah? I1 is this one, and I3. So I3 is going like this, and it is going like this, nah? So here I3 is there, nah? So I3, okay, I3 is going like this. I1 it is going like this, nah? I1 it is going like this, and I2 is in this branch, nah? Okay, now using first Kirchhoff current rule. Using Kirchhoff current rule, okay, at junction D I will take. Okay, at junction D, applying Kirchhoff rule at junction D. So what is Kirchhoff current rule? Means the total current in a junction is 0, nah? So we have to make direction. Okay, so let's say we have to make a sign, nah? Current flowing into the junction is positive, nah? And current flowing out of the junction is negative. So how many currents are flowing into the junction? So if you see the direction of all this current, none of the current is flowing into the junction D, nah? So that means all the current are negative. So sum of all the current is first I1, nah? Plus minus I2, nah? Minus I2, because I2 is also flowing out of the junction, nah? Plus I3 is also flowing out of the junction, nah? That is, it is also minus, nah? So this sum of the current is equal to 0, nah? So minus I1 minus I2 minus I3 equal to 0. So I can take common, right? Minus common, right, in all the cases. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0, nah? Minus, if you take minus on that side, we will get same. I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0, nah? Okay, in question, find the current through each battery, nah? So which current is flowing in the battery? I1 current is also flowing in the battery, and then I2 current, nah? So we have to find Okay, I will write here I1. We have to find I1 and I2 nah? Okay, this is our M. Okay, now this is Kirchhoff mm, current rule nah? So you can take for any junction. Okay, B also I will get the same thing only. Okay, now next is, now we have to apply voltage rule. Okay, Kirchhoff voltage rule. Okay, first I will clear all this. Now you know where current is flowing nah? Okay, now for Kirchhoff second rule, we have to make a loop, right? Okay, you can make loop like this also, or like this also. Okay, it's your wish. I will make the loop in current direction. Okay, see current I1, it is current direction is like this now. I1 is going like this, and I2 it is going like this nah? I1. Okay, now I will choose a loop. Okay, so I choose this loop nah? Loop from where, okay, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, let's make this E and F. Okay, first loop is, okay, A, E, B, D. A, E, B, D, A nah? So it is making one loop nah? Starting from A and ending at A nah? So it is one loop. Okay, now I am moving from, starting from A. Okay, I'm saying you can start at any place. Okay, here A is there, so I'm starting from A nah? So A, I'm moving like this nah? So this is minus. Okay, first, okay, before applying this, you have to make what resistance is there nah? We have to make plus minus. Okay, plus minus. So current is in this direction, like this current nah? That means current is moving from positive to negative nah? So this side is positive, this side is negative nah? Okay, direction of current I will not draw. Okay, because it will make dirty nah? You can draw in notebook. Okay, now also here I2 current is moving in this direction, so this side is positive. Okay, so this side is positive, this side is negative nah? Oh no, this is battery, right? Battery is, this side is positive nah? So current in this resistance, 6 ohm resistance, current is moving. See direction, see the direction of current. So the current always move from higher potential to lower potential nah? So this side, so that means this side is positive and this side is negative nah? From higher to lower. Okay, here in this 3 ohm resistance also, see current is like this nah? It is moving, I3 current is moving like this. So this side is positive and this side is negative nah? So negative. Okay, I will write there, this side is positive, this side is negative nah? Now make a loop. Okay, choosing loop. So our loop is from A E B D A na. A E B D A. Okay, so starting from A, so this side is plus, right? This is minus, battery, this is plus, this is minus. So we will be plus na, plus 9 volt, plus 9 volt. Okay, now see, now I reach E, and then now I'm crossing the potential or the resistor. So from plus to minus, so ending is minus, so I will write minus. So we convert this resistance into voltage. V equal to IR na. So how much current is flowing here? It is I1 current na. And R is how much? 18 na. So minus I1 into 18 na, 18 ohm, right? Now B, from B to now this side na. So now from negative to positive, so ending is positive, so it is 6 or plus na. So it will be plus. Now this resistance you have to convert into volt na. So same formula na, V I. So now I is how much? I2 na. So I2 into R na. R is how much? 6 into 6. Next, now I reach potential na, or means battery. So battery from plus to minus, so ending is minus, so minus 3 volt, minus 3 volt. Now I reach the junction D and then A, so there is nothing, so no need to write anything na. So this will be equal to 0 na. So I will arrange now. 9 volt again, 9 volt minus 18 I1, no need to write volt, okay, plus 6 I2 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6 na, 6. Okay, minus 18 I1 plus 6 I2 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now I1 I2. Okay, this make equation 2. Now take the next loop. Okay, next loop is like this. Okay, that means starting from D, B, C. Okay, let's take this F. So loop D, B, C, F. Okay, applying voltage rule na. So D, okay, starting from D na. So my loop direction is like this na. So I am going like this, like this, like this, like this na. This is my direction. Okay, now starting from D, so minus to plus, ending is plus, so it will be plus 3 volt na, plus 3 volt. Now I reach resistance. Okay, resistance, this side is positive, right? Positive, and this side is minus, so I'm going like this. So I'm going from positive to negative this side na. So negative minus, so it will be minus I, how much current is I2 into R is 6, I2 into 6. Okay, now I reach B. Now I will go to C, and then from C to F. So minus to plus, so plus na. Ending, always take the ending one na, sign, so it will be plus. Now here which current is flowing? I3 na, I3 into 3, I3 into 3, this will be equal to 0 na, because there is nothing na. Now so we will have 3 minus 6I2 plus 3I3 equal to 0. So we have three equations, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, but we have to find I1 and I2 so we have only two variables. So in order to solve two variable equation, we need two equation, right? If there is three variable, then we will need three equation. So okay, now this I3, okay, this I3 I can replace I3, okay. So from this equation, okay, from equation 1, I3 will be I3 equal to this I1 and I2 will go in this side, okay, minus I1 minus I2, right? I3 equal to minus I1 minus I2 nah. Okay, now putting I3 in equation 3, okay, this I3 nah, we have to put this one, okay, put, so that I will have an equation with I1 and I2 only nah, variable. So here also we have I1 and I2, so I'm making I1 and I2, okay. So if you put like this, then 3 minus 6I2 plus 3 into I3 I3 is this one, so minus I1 minus I2, 3 into, okay, equal to 0. So 3 minus 6I2 3 into minus I1, it will be minus 3I1 3 into minus I2, so minus 3I2 equal to 0. Now 3 minus 6I2 minus 3I2, minus minus plus, so it will be 6, 7 and 9I2 minus 3I1 equal to 0. Make this equation, what is the equation? Equation 4 nah. Okay, now what to do now? Okay, I1 and I2 are there, so here also I1 and I2. Okay, now from equation 2, okay, I will write equation 2 here, minus 18I1 minus 18I1 minus 18I1 plus 6I2 plus 6I2 plus 6I2 okay, minus 18I1 is 0 plus 6I2 minus 6 equal to 0, minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation 2 nah? Now from equation 1 and 2, this equation you have to solve nah? You have done like this equation many times in class 10, right? 9, 10 nah? In place of I, there you have x and y nah? Let's consider I1 as x and I2 as y nah? Like this you have done many times, right, in class 10. So this I cannot teach you this one, okay. Since you are taking class science, I assume that you know everything, okay. Now how to solve this one? Okay, now 3 minus, okay, I will arrange. Okay, from equation 4, minus 3i1 is there, minus 9i2 plus 3 equal to 0 na? So 3i1 plus 9i2 minus 3 equal to 0. I'm arranging, okay. So this one, and then from here 18i1 minus 6i2 plus 6 equal to 0 na? Okay, now plus minus also we cannot cancel. Okay, I will just take i1 from here. Okay, 3i1 equal to 3 minus 9i2 na? From this equation I will get like this, right? Then i1 equal to 3 minus 9i2 divided by this 3 na? 3. Okay, now i1 equal to 3 divided by 3 by 3 minus 9 by 3 i2. I can write like this now. So 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. So i1 equal to 1 minus 3 i2 na? So this is i1 na? So now put this in this, put the value this here, okay? So 18 into i1 is this one, 1 minus 3i2 minus 6i2 minus 6i2 plus 6 equal to 0, plus 6 equal to 0. So 18 minus 3 into 18, 8 1 are 8, 3 8 1 are 8, 8 is 16, 17 18 19 20 21 22 24 2 3 1 3 4 5 54, 54 i2 minus 6 i2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now minus plus na? 18 54 plus 6, 54 plus 6, 6 10 0 1 minus 5 6 16, minus 60 i2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now minus 60 i2 plus 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6 is 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 24 equal to 0. So minus 60 i2 equal to minus 24. So minus cancel. So i2 equal to 24 by 16. 24 by 16. i2 is 24 by 60. So we can cut 2 3 are 6, 2 0 0 0, 2 1 are 2, 2 are 4, 3 1 are 3, 3 0 are 0, 3 4 are 12 na? So i2 equal to, so how much? 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is 0.4 ampere. Now we got i2 na? Now this i2, okay, if we put here, then we will get i1 na? So i1 equal to 1 minus 3 i2, 1 minus 3 i2, i2 is 0.4 into 0.4, 1 minus 3 into 0.4, 0.4 into 3, 3 4 are 12, 2 1 minus 1, 3 0, so 1.2 na? 1.2, 1 minus 1.2 is 0.2. So I1 is this one, and I2 is, now we have I1 equal to 0.2 ampere and I2 equal to what, 0.4 ampere. Okay, these are the current flowing through the battery.